Hi, people. This is Kaylee. We're going on a zip line. Maddie. Kaylee. Oh my gosh. Wait, are you taking a picture? Oh, it's off.
It's not working. There we go.
Alright.
Lovely.
Okay, people. In my porch. Oh, a candle. Oh my gosh, that's my cello. Guys, like, no one watches these videos, but it's okay. If someone has a good name for my cello, please tell me, because I really want to name my cello. I don't like that name.
Like the roof gnome.
Sadie, what the heck? No, I want a guy cello.
But it burns. Like, weird.
Okay. Oh my god, a moth!
Okay.
So, how you doing, people? Do you like...
okay, that is creepy.
I don't know. I got new glasses. Yeah. So, here we go. My house. Lightning bug! Lightning bug!
That's what I did last time.
Hi! Hi, buddy.
Oh my god! Hello. I'm on Zoom, so you're really close to me right now.
People, they are insulting me.
Push the lightning bug.
You squish it!
Yes.
You get to help us edit this video too. Look, the lightning bug!
We should put it in a jar.
Maddie, go!
I'm scared.
You're such a scaredy cat. Are you okay?
Does it still glow?
Oh my god!
What?
I got it.
Camera!
It's on your camera!
Oh my god, no, get it in there. Someone get a jar. Harry,
Yeah, go get a jar. With me.
No, I'm checking more.
Come with me. Fine, I'll just talk to these people. I don't want to put these poor bugs in jars.
What about the show? The one that you don't play?
The one that I do play, mommy. We need a jar.
What for?
For lightning bugs. Subscribe. What?
Hurry up, get a jar.
Oh!
Where'd they go?
Oh my god.
They're trying to escape. See, I told you it wasn't a good idea to poke a hole. God, there's a couple.
Yeah.
They're all trying to escape right now. It's freaking me out.
I got one. They eat you.
Well,
They eat your
see,
fingers.
that's not cool because I don't like bugs. You're scaring me. I don't like butterflies. Find any?
You get it? Aw, hi, sweetie. I don't know where they went.
Probably in your hair.
Oh, there's a bug on my shoulder.
Where'd it go?
Do do do.
Here. That was recording.
That lightning bug was attacking you.
Go.
Do the afternoon freeze, jack your pose. Then you do the milkshake, shake it down low. Did the snow go inside?
Left to right.
Hands in the air, party on us.
There's even gnome. Here's your jar.
Okay, what's another name for my cello?
Patrick.
Patrick. I don't know. No, it needs to be elegant. Yeah, it's simple.
Phyllis. Or like
Phyllis.
Malcolm.
Malcolm. Dewey. What about Dexter? Going down, 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 down. We are playing Pokemon. Wait, let's video chat with somebody.
To Harry Potter at 6:30 tomorrow. I love hot talking nail polish.
Hi. So, you guys, what's your favorite day of the week?
Oh, hi. Thursday. I like Friday or Thursday. Tuesday is my worst.
Wait. I'm really confused. Awkward. Sweet.
No probs.
Our Judd is your best friend. Yum.
I saw.
This is our BFF Quinn. Quinn,
making a YouTube thing.
Quinn, my mom thinks you're cute.
My mom thinks you're cute too.
Yes, Bronislava. Wait, what's going on?
He declined.
That was on record. Those are the benefits. People say hello to Adam. They saw you. He's a nub. JK. Alright, anyways.
Coming me. What should I do?
More people! More people!
Christopher?
They're all guys.
Wait,
That's
wait.
so sad. No one else has Matt.
Bye.